Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find Steam ID PC or laptop. We will start by opening the Steam app. When you access it, click on your profile name and then click on Account Details. Now, in this new Steam update, you will find your ID under the account name. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.